I'm Lily Cullman. I'm the founder of Cullman and Kravis.
I'm Lee Kavanaugh, and I have been with Cullman and Kravis for over 20 years.
Our look is very layered and it's very cohesive.
It's also about form and function. You want it to look beautiful, but you also want it to work as a home.
There's nothing better than a repeat client because they know you, they respect you, because you're going to work to come together to a solution for whatever the interior that works for everybody. You have to have the client's input. We're very proud of it. We don't kind of pre-package your home. And why on earth would we try to impose some concept that we have for their home?
Different locations, really inspire what's happening, but we always have to have the client's input.
I like to walk in a house and say, oh, I see what they're interested in. I see where they've been. That's what makes it so much more interesting than just a decorated space.
You know what you're getting, when you're getting it. We're very organized. We deliver what we say we're going to deliver, and that makes a huge difference. I think the most successful way to change a space and really make an impact is with color, with paint on a wall.
You have more square footage on the walls than you do on the ceiling or the floor. If you change the wall cover, you change the feeling. I think it's important to reinvent yourself and do that all the time. If not, you're like dead aesthetically. At the end of the day, design is psychology. You're creating a sense of well-being for a client.
Your home wants to tell a story of who you are, how you live, the whole story of that family.